Good morning, Spencer the mechanic. Today is the day that you cannot be able to start your car and you're wondering what the hell is going on. Alright, today is the day I'm gonna show you why your car won't start. This is Honda Odyssey 2001. First, I coming in, turn on the key all the way up. Alright, not to start the car, just turn on the key. Turn on the lights. Check it out, the headlights. The headlight is bright and shine. Then, it's not the battery and it's not the alternator. What could it be? Why my car don't start? Alright, now, I turn on that key all the way up, but not start the engine. I got a big screwdriver. Okay, then I'm gonna go to the starter. The starter is located in between here, the battery, transmission, and they're going to have the negative and positive for the starter. What I do is I stick the big screwdriver down here in between the negative and the positive and gonna twist it. Okay, I'm working on it. Be patient. There you go. You heard that? Negative and positive together and twist the screwdriver. Let them connect together. Let me see if I can try that again. Wasting a lot of seconds already. Okay. That's how you do it. Okay. There you go. Boom. Done deal. That's how you do it. Spencer, the mechanic, thank you for watching. This car, it happened to be my own car, but I need new starter. I do not have the money for the starter right now, but I will soon. So thank you for watching. Spencer, the mechanic.